Sanibona igama uNkateko Akavuma. I'm a coach of Ama Love Day FC. The experience has been very, very good since from the start up until the finish. The collaboration between Imvuselelo and FNP was super. It's the first time namhlanje sibona ama grandstand, sibona ama screen on Amanda 23 tournament. So sibonga kakhulu ku FNP. We thank you very much FNP. We thank you very much Imvuselelo for the invite and the reception which we got. Ayikho into esingayitholanga from food. We even opened our business account, personal accounts. Yeah, the experience has been great, and we'll be coming back on the next tournament, hoping and believing FNP will collaborate again. Thank you very much. Thank you FNP. Thank you Imvuselelo.
Lesego Maleka playing for Chimbiso FC as a centre back. Experience I've played at Highlands Park. We won the tournament and we defended the tournament. We won it last time, then we defended it again, which is a good and a great achievement for us. I want to thank the fans and everyone who believed in us from the beginning of the tournament. It means a lot.